You wake up and grab your phone, just for a minute, just to check something. And somehow, 20 minutes disappear before you even get out of bed. You tell yourself today will be different. Today you'll start. Today you'll focus. Today you'll finally get your life moving. But the morning slips away. One small distraction, then another. You scroll, you watch, you wait for the right mood to arrive. It never does. By the afternoon, something inside you feels heavy, not tired, just stuck. You know you're capable of more. You can feel it, that quiet voice in the back of your mind, reminding you that your life could be bigger than this. But the days keep repeating. Wake up, scroll, plan, delay, repeat. You see other people moving forward, building things, improving, changing their lives, and you wonder what they're doing that you're not. Because it's not that you don't care. You care a lot, maybe too much. You think about the future constantly, the life you could have, the person you could become. But thinking about it is starting to feel like the closest you ever get to it. And the worst part is this quiet regret that shows up at night, when everything gets silent, when you realize another day passed and nothing really changed. Not because you're lazy, but because something keeps pulling you back into the same comfortable loop. Comfort says you can start tomorrow. Distraction says you deserve a break. Routine says this is just how life is. And tomorrow keeps moving further away, day after day, year after year. Until one day you look around and realize you've been busy for a long time, but you haven't actually moved. But here's the truth. Your life doesn't feel stuck because you lack motivation. Motivation was never the problem. Motivation is loud in the beginning and silent when it matters. The real shift happens somewhere deeper. Identity. The moment you stop asking, do I feel like doing this today? And start asking, is this the kind of person I am? Because the people who move forward in life aren't constantly motivated. They're committed to a version of themselves, a version that keeps promises even on ordinary days. And this is where everything changes. Discipline isn't punishment. It's not forcing yourself to suffer. It's not some extreme lifestyle only a few people can handle. Discipline is self-respect in action. It's the quiet decision to stop negotiating with the person you want to become. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you take back control. Every time you choose effort over comfort, you gain power. And slowly, that invisible loop begins to crack. Not in one dramatic moment, but in small choices no one else sees. The alarm you don't snooze. The work you start even when you don't feel ready. The moment you stop waiting for tomorrow to save you, because tomorrow was never the solution. It was the delay. And the strange thing is, once you stop chasing motivation and start building discipline, life begins to feel lighter, clearer, like you're finally steering your own direction instead of drifting through days. But that moment, that shift, always begins with a decision most people avoid. The decision to stop waiting. So tonight, when everything gets quiet again and that familiar thought appears in your mind, the one that says, I'll start tomorrow. What if tomorrow never comes?